In front of me is POCO M7 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can operate vibration settings. Begin by opening Devices Settings and scrolling down a tiny bit to click on Sound and Vibration. Now you need to scroll down and click on this switcher next to Vibrate vocals. This way you can enable or disable incoming calls vibrations. You can also click on this switcher next to Vibrate in silent mode to enable or disable vibrations when your device is muted. Over here, by tapping on Vibrate on tap, you can pick intensity of your touch vibrations or disable them completely by hitting off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe.